greenhouse gas emissions, with a mainly focus on carbon dioxide. The proposal. When it comes to global change, greenhouse emissions, such as CO2, are responsible for the atmospheric warming. The greenhouse emissions are rapidly increasing as a result of human activities. These activities are practiced every single day, such as using electricity. What are greenhouse gas emissions? Greenhouse gas is any type of gaseous compound capable of trapping and holding heat in the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases generate the greenhouse effect, which leads to global warming.
The primary greenhouse gases in the atmosphere are water vapor, nitrous oxide, methane, and carbon dioxide.
All of these gases contribute to the greenhouse effect, but scientists tend to focus on carbon dioxide, the structure of the carbon dioxide molecule, which only has 3 atoms. This allows them to absorb and release heat faster than the other gases. What is the greenhouse effect? A layer of greenhouse gases that act like a thermal blanket around the Earth. This blanket absorbs and blocks the heat from escaping into outer space. This process starts off with the sunlight. The sunlight is a form of energy. The yellow rays are hit into the earth. Land and water absorb some of this energy. The other is reflected back into outer space. The surface of the earth starts warming up. Then it releases a type of energy, which is known as infrared radiation. The more greenhouse gases, the more heat being trapped. Sources of greenhouse gas emissions. The primary sectors are the electricity with 29%, transportation with 27%, industry with 21%, the commercial and residential sector with 12%, and the agriculture sector with 9%. From human activities, carbon dioxide is the one that is produced the most. CO2 accounts for 64% of total greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases can remain in the atmosphere from 50 to thousands of years. In the case of carbon dioxide, the world's total greenhouse gas emissions are continuing to increase every year. For centuries, atmospheric carbon dioxide has never been above the 300 level. But since 1950, carbon dioxide has spiked up to the 400 level. Greenhouse effects are linked to extreme climate change. For instance, rising temperature. 2016 was ranked as the warmest year on record. This map indicates the areas that are warmer than average. Extreme events ranges from extreme rainfalls to extreme low temperatures. Shrinking ice sheets. This graph shows that Antarctica is losing 118 gigatons of ice per year. Sea level rises. This map shows that sea level rises at a rate of 3.4 millimeters per year. Decline of sea ice. This graph shows how the Arctic Sea is now declining at a rate of 13.3% per decade. Ocean acidification. It messes up with the aquatic ecosystem.
By measuring our carbon footprint, we can avoid these catastrophic events and ultimately help global warming.